Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to create a Bitmoji class, kind of like this one or these that you always see with your image and some links. This could be a welcome message to classes, to your class, and then some links that refer students to different places, maybe books they can read or tasks they need to complete. Perhaps digital worksheets or interesting websites or anything that you need them to do. It could look like this, perhaps like this, and more. So how do we create those beautiful digital classes? Well, first you must download the Bitmoji app. So only after you've downloaded the Bitmoji app and configured your image and designed your avatar, you are welcome to download this to your Chrome. Write Chrome extension on Google, go to the Chrome Web Store extensions, and here you simply look up Bitmoji. Here on the right, on the left, you find the Bitmoji extension to Chrome, and make sure you are on Chrome, and then you install. Mine is already installed, so I don't need to do anything. Basically, you click here, install. For me, it says remove from Chrome. But once it's installed, you will see here on the top bar. If you don't see the Bitmoji icon on here, you probably need to click on the puzzle and see it. You will see it here. And if you even don't see it here, you can click on Manage Extensions and see all your extensions. So this is the Bitmoji extension, and it is installed on my Chrome extension, my Chrome browser actually. The next step is to go to your drive. This is the drive, Google Drive. You click on the 9 dots here. If you don't know how to access it, then you just go to Google as you are logged into your Gmail, and you click on the 9 dots here and then Drive. Then you will actually go to your Google Drive. In order to start the class, you click on New, and then More, and then Google Slides. You simply need to find Google Slides because we're going to work on the slides. So what you need to do here is simply, first thing you want to do is choose the background of your virtual classroom. And so let's choose something nice. First, I deleted those things here because they really don't help us. So I just stand, or I highlight, or I select the box, and then I click delete, and it's deleted, it's gone. Next thing you want to do is click on. So what you want to do is click slide, and then change background, then choose image, and then you want to write, then you want to go to Google Image Search, not upload, but Google Image Search. Then you want to write something like floor and wall background. Once you do that, you find really nice backgrounds for your classroom. Let's just choose something nice that we can see the floor and the wall. Let's say this one. And then I click Insert, then Done. And then you can see I have my background. Next thing I can do is add furniture and maybe pictures or anything I would like to do to design my class. So I click on Insert, and then Image, and then search the web. When I do that, I get this box here, so I can write table transparent, because I need it to be transparent and not have this background, the white background. So perhaps I can choose this, and then I can drag it in. Once I have it inside, I can shrink it and resize it and place it here. I need to put in the right place for it to make sense, to look nice. Okay, on the floor. Great. Now I can write chair, and I just changed this to chair. So I can probably choose this one. This one looks nice, and drag. Then I can resize it again and place it here. So basically anything I want for my class, I can do. I can find furniture and add it on. So again, that was insert, image, search the web, and then you get here whatever you want. Let's say you want a bookcase or a bookshelf. You write the word transparent because we always want it to be transparent and not have a frame around it, a white frame around it. So it will look nice in our room. So let's say this is what I chose. Now, how do I add my Bitmoji? I basically go to my Chrome extension here. I have to find my Bitmoji extension. There it is. And that's after I've already basically signed in. So in case you are not signed in, you will have to sign in with your name and password and find and log into your account. So here what I do is I just choose something that I like for my classroom. I can write here welcome and find something. Just make sure you are logged into your account with your name and password. This is not good because I need the whole body. So I can search for nice images here. Maybe this one. And I can design it however I want, really. And so the next step would be to add links and to add maybe a welcome message. So I'm going to go ahead and click insert image from the web and write something like a whiteboard so I can write on it. Whiteboard transparent. I have to look for something that's actually transparent. Let's say this one. It's not really a whiteboard, but it's nice to write on it and it looks nice. So I'm making it smaller. I'm adding this to here. And now I can write my message. So how do I add text? I click on insert and then text box. And then I can draw my text box and said, welcome to our class. Choose 3 activities to complete. So what do? I have to prepare 3 activities in advance and they need to be related to the class, to the same topic. So what I want to do here with the text is I can probably just change the font here and the size, and I can probably change the font here to make it nicer. This I don't need anymore. And now I have these here. I can change a line or put this in the center. Okay. So now I want to add activities. So I have to prepare activities in advance. So let's say one of the activities is to watch a YouTube video, 5 Little Monkeys. What I do is I just copy the URL address from the top, right? From the top bar. I copy and I go back to my page. And now it's ready to be pasted. So what I can do is I can say that perhaps the chair is one activity, or the table is activity, or the bookcase. Or I can add something very, very specific, like write number 1 or picture 1. So for now, I'll show you how to add this onto objects. I select the actual object, and then I see a blue square around it, a lining around it. I select and then I click insert and then I click link, because the YouTube video is a link. I click on the link and I paste the link to the YouTube that I copied from here, basically from the top. And then I click apply. And that's it. Once students hover over this, they will see the link. Let's say that I've prepared a Google form for the class to complete and it has all these activities that I want them to do. So I click on send and then the link, and then I just copy the link here. So how do I add the link to the page on my Bitmoji class? I go back to my Bitmoji class, and let's say now I choose the table. And with the table, I select it. I select the table. I see the blue line in around it, and I click Insert, Link again, and I paste the link, and I click Apply. Okay, so this is when each piece of furniture is a link to a different activity. But what if I want this to be more clear or more obvious? Then I can choose things to add. I can go to Insert, Image from the website, and then I can choose, let's say, Picture, Transparent. And let's say I do, maybe I write, maybe I take the heart. Let's see if it's actually transparent. Yes, it's transparent. So I resize it like this. I hold it and drag it. And then I can probably place this here. And this will be one link. So I can stand on it and select the heart. And this will be more obvious that it's actually a link. I select the heart. I click Insert. I add. I select Link. And then I can paste the link to my Google form and click Apply. This could be more obvious if I actually choose number 1. Let's say I choose number 1 from Google, and I choose like 1 and I place it here. Then I can make them click on number 1, and then they get to the first activity. I can choose number 2. I can delete this bookcase. I can choose number 2, write number 2, and select number 2, and I can probably create another activity. Okay, so we have 1, we have 2, and we can add all sorts of activities. We can even add Wiser Me, Thing Link, Google Form. We can add on different books. For example, we can go to a website called Storyline Online and have celebrities that read out famous books. So let's say if we want this book, we can simply add a direct link to the book. YouTube, and then copy link, and then this specific book, they will get to this specific book by clicking on number 1. Insert, link, paste, and now they will get to it once they click on number 1. Let's say we want a different one, then we go to a different story, and that will be number 2, or maybe exercises about the book in number 1, some exercises and enrichment, maybe a Quizlet set. We can also connect the Quizlet set to here, so we can have everything on this, and it's really nice because they can see their teacher, the avatar of the teacher, the Bitmoji. So how do I send this to students when I'm done? I click on Share. I give it a name, My Bitmoji Class Hey 1. Okay, and then I click here, Change to Anyone with a Link, and I just change this, copy link, and done. They are the viewers. Make sure when you do this, click change here. They are the viewers and not editors or commenters, just viewers. That's it. Then, so after I've copied the link, I go to just a different tab and I paste it. Look, I pasted the link here at the top address bar. And one thing I want to do, because once they click, they'll be able to see all the bars at the side, and it's not that aesthetic. In order to make this aesthetic, you simply go to the link and you change something in the link instead of the word edit here. Okay, do you see the word edit at the top? Instead of edit, you delete and you write preview. See, I changed the word edit to preview, and now it looks really nice, and they'll be able to see it very clearly and go to wherever they want. This is what you send them. So good luck!